Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be learning how to achieve this particular pocket design. Please stay tuned because I'm gonna be revealing at the end of the video a particular trick on how to get it achieved, on how to get it perfectly. So please stay tuned. So let's get straight into the video. These are the materials that we'll be using, the required materials. We have our gum stay, our measurement materials, and the rest of them. So we are going to be using the right side of this gum stay. Yeah, this side. Let's mark it so you get to see it. This is the wrong side. So you need to be careful while placing your pocket pattern. So now this is my pocket pattern. I'm going to be using it to cut out the required measurements. I make use of pocket patterns. I don't know about you, but you need to get one for yourself. The next measurement here will be 1.5 inch for the protruding part of the pocket. So right now we have to mark it out round for easy cutting. The next measurement here will be to measure the horizontal side of the protruding parts. This is 1.5 inch, but I'll actually be using 1 inch. It depends on your own preferences. Yeah. So we just have to really align to mark up the lines, the measurements we have already taken. So that's my 1 inch for the horizontal and the 1.5 inch for the vertical side. We have to really align right now to connect it. So now you cut it out. Having done with the cutting, as you can see, the foundation is actually looking more real in resemblance to the actual design of the pocket. So this is it. Now we draw the curve at the middle of the pocket. You may use your curve in this particular case, but I'm just going to use this to make it more real and more visible to each and every one of you out there. So just follow me through as I draw the curve. You know, this is actually where technicality comes into play in this fashion and designing business. You need to have a three-dimensional view of whatever you want to achieve. So this is it. We are done with the curving. This is exactly what we are trying to achieve. I'm going to draw the inner one so as to make it look more perfect. That's just it. That's just it. Please, while trying to cut the design at the inner part of the pocket, you need to place your scissors at the beginning, slightly at the edge, and then you have to place it inside to have a deeper cut at the inner part and a slighter cut at the edge. Yeah. It's actually coming into perfection. Now we move over to the next step. This particular one will go with the navy blue material. Yeah, this one in particular. Then the carton color one will be used for the other designs. And that's actually the major one on the outside. The darker one will be on the inside. That's the navy blue one. It will be on the inside, and this other one will be covering it up. So now we move over to pressing it down. Need to iron it very well. If you have your hemming gum, you can as well add it up before ironing. The addition of this hemming gum to gum stays is actually like another trick, and I know most of the tailors out there are not aware of this trick. adding a hemming gum to your gum stay actually makes it more relaxed on your fabric, and as well makes it look nice. It keeps your work clean. So maybe you just need to learn that one today. As you can see, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. In some cases, some people may decide to fold it like this, but that's not the actual way. You don't fold it inside. Just look at the process. I'm going to add the fabric to each and every one of them to fold it back. Just like I do in other videos. If you have been a fan of my channel, you must have noticed that I have a unique method of turning fabrics inside out. I add fabrics to turn fabrics inside out. I add fabrics to turn fabrics inside out. You may decide to note that today. So that's one of my methods. So after this, we are going to take it down to the machine. Please pay attention as I go through the process of sewing. I don't want to waste much of your time. I'm just going to speed up this process in order to cut out some unwanted spaces. So please pay attention. Now we are done with the sewing. The next thing now is to turn it inside out and give it a thorough pressing. Just watch me as I have it all panned out. Hello friends, we're actually coming to the end of this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. And I promise to keep bringing contents that will add value to your skills. Thank you as we continue with the rest of the video. Now here's the final result of our work. As you can see, it came out clean, nice and beautiful. That's exactly what we saw in the pictures. We made it. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Just look at the straight line at the center, the curved line at the center. Exactly. Here's the back side of it. You may decide to trim your own if you wish. It's just up to you based on your own preferences. So that's it.